Good morning, May 25th, 2021. My name is Keisha Kemp. I had this morning at 9:30 a.m. with Honorable Peter Donahue in Queens Supreme County Court. Docket index number 711451-2018. Me as the plaintiff and administrator of case against nursing home and New York Presbyterian Hospital in Queens. Joesph Hand is the secretary for Honorable Peter Donahue, judge. In return, Joesph Hand, the instructions were given as set forth on March 2nd, 2021. Contact Joesph at jhandnewyorkcourts.gov to obtain the call-in instructions. Joesph Hand, the secretary for the Honorable Judge Donahue, refused to give me access to the virtual hearing this morning, citing that I wasn't a doctor and I wasn't an attorney. His actions were negligence on the behalf of me being a plaintiff, and it's stated in the record of this paperwork that was submitted in the county clerk's office. If I failed to appear, the case would be dismissed. Joesph Hand made it his business this morning on May 25th, 2021, to block me as the plaintiff to be a part of the virtual meeting that was being held in the behalf of my estate. He also was being very argumentative in behalf of the fact of being a racist. I'm going to call him a racist because as me being the plaintiff, I had every right to be involved with the case. He made it his business to tell me I didn't have no rights, as if I don't read and write. It's stated here, failure to A, appear either by a new counsel or pro se. I am pro se. B, bring an affidavit or affirmation of a medical professional. I did have an affidavit. He blocked me by all means necessary as a secretary of Honorable Peter Donahue today at before 9:30 a.m., before the virtual had began. I contacted the Bar Association. I filed a complaint, and I do want it on the record that a secretary for the judge made every attempt to put me in a situation to block me from handling my business pertaining to a case that my name is on, and he's refusing as him being a part of orchestrating how this case should have went today on May 25th, 2021. I was already told by Anna, one of the court accounted people that work inside, case was dismissed because I did not show up. So that means that Joesph Hand, the person that they told me to have contact with, was the person that was doing everything under his corrupted behavior to prevent me from handling my business this morning. I want a full investigation immediately on the behalf of my estate as me being the plaintiff and pro se of this case. I am very upset of the fact that this is what goes on inside the courts when you try to handle your business and you're trying to work for yourself. You have those that are inside blocking and diffusing situations and circumstances and giving people a hard time so they cannot handle their business, or for the judge not to be aware of what's going on. I'm sure the judge will be aware by today what's going on. This is my YouTube channel. This will go viral today, May 25th, 2021. My name is Keisha Kemp. I do represent myself as a pro se attorney in New York City in reference to my cases and any cases that be set forth before me as a representative. Okay, so for me not to be able to represent my own case, that did not only show bias and prejudice against me as a woman of color, It also showed that there was no respect as him being a secretary of the situation and just doing his job effectively. Have a nice day.